I think this is going to be one of the craziest and best revivals I've ever done for a car. This right here is my 2014 M5, and it is not perfect. It's 12 years old already, which is crazy to think about. And it's just been rotting for the past 3-4 months. I had it the signal green, I unwrapped it, and then I just was not ready or able to touch it till now. As you could see, I mean, it's fully taken apart down to the bones, both front and rear bumpers. Headlights had to come out because I'm getting the headlights repaired. Brand new lenses on those. It's going to be PPF'd, and you know, it's going to help with rock chips. And these headlights are notorious for flooding or water getting into them, so they start to haze up and stuff like that after, you know, it rains or you wash it. So it's really annoying, and it makes the car look terrible. So I'm getting those repaired. Just take a good long hard look at this, how it sits beforehand, because I'm telling you, when it's done, it's gonna look absolutely insane. This is the color we're going with. It's a satin chrome silver, or just satin chrome TECKWRAP. It's called Silver Sage, and it has that insane, you know, chromey look to it. I can't wait to do it. I mean, I know a lot of people on social media have been running this kind of spec, full silver surfer, they want to call it. So I do have those same wheels still that you guys seen. If you guys keep up with the content or the last video, I have those crazy 21-inch wheels that are also, you know, silver. So this entire car is going to be pretty much silver with all the carbon still on it and everything. It's going to look absolutely insane. So like I said, I mean, front end fully taken apart. I did have to do some body work on the bumpers, just because they've definitely been repainted in the past before I got the car, and it just needed more work. I didn't want to, you know, leave those spots. This, I think, is going to be one of my final wraps with this car. I might sell it after, we will see. But yeah, I mean, I've had my fun with it. I've had it for over 2 years, and you know, it's just time to move on to a new project. But like I said, I mean, the bumpers had just spots that I needed to fix, so you guys will see those. Coming around to the back, this is how it looks. The sensors are actually tucked into the trunk while I washed it, because there is no quick disconnect. It's actually ran through the trunk. So yeah, I mean, sensors, everything's gonna be fully, you know, taken apart on the bumpers, fully done the right way. Right here, you guys can see, so this was already there under the green wrap. I fixed this up myself. These little spots on the side skirt as well. I fixed all this stuff up myself, just because I wanted to look perfect under the wrap. Now, if somebody buys this, obviously this is for proof as well, how the car looks. Obviously, you probably have to blend the side. You know, there was a dent there and there, you know, when I got the car. So I didn't want that to just stay there, and that's a really hard spot to PDR because it's right on the railing. That's what they told me, that it's very hard. You can't really get under it or something. I don't know. That's the way they explained it to me. And on the bumpers is the only other spot. So this is how it's sitting right now. I got it hooked up to the trickle. And yeah, so also, you know, the carbon roof is the biggest change on this car. I've had it for almost probably a year and a half. Almost the whole time I had the car, I had this planned out before I even bought it. So yeah, real carbon roof. You could hear it. It's hollow, you know, underneath. And the headliner, of course, has the delete. Shipped out from Germany. Took a month to get that headliner without the sunroof cut out, you know, from the inside, because that would look stupid. But we're gonna PPF the carbon roof. I took the old PPF off, and I started PPFing as well. So I wanted to, you know, do it myself anyway. And the first job wasn't the best, so I want to do it myself. That's going to be PPF'd. Like I said, the headlights will be PPF'd, and then the rest is just straight vinyl wrap. So yeah, stay tuned for this one, guys. I mean, this is going to be insane. Here's the interior, just basic black. It's going to get fully detailed when I'm done as well. And yeah, this is gonna be probably the final look on this thing, and I might move on to a new project, so stay tuned for the wrap. This thing's gonna look insane.